Another day, another tea review. Let's check out a Fruity Juicy collection by DAVIDsTEA. I love that DAVIDsTEA came out with these small little sample packs. I want to try everything, but I don't want giant packages. I love that they're listening to their customers and making some changes like that. So here we have the Fruity Juicy Discovery Kit. And it's 4 loose leaf teas and infusions. Each one is 12.5 grams or 0.4 ounces. Let's dive into these and get these steeping and give them a good old taste. All right, let me make that happen. Did it happen? I guess I gotta go do something. Be right back. Well, doesn't this look fun? First, I want to draw attention to these straws. These are the new reusable silicone straws from DAVIDsTEA, and so far, I like them. I love how the bottoms of them are curved so you don't get that vacuum suction-y issue. And they're all like matching, and look at how beautiful these iced teas are. Fabulous. Let's go through them one by one and yeah. Have a taste and a go, as it is. This one right here is called Tropic Tango. It's a fruit infusion. They say it's creamy and sweet mango, and they call it hydrating. The ingredients are apple, candied papaya, candied mango, hibiscus blossom, natural mango, natural cream flavoring, beetroot, carrot, coconut, cornflower blossom. Look at how pretty that is. All right. Oh, that is creamy. That is refreshing. I like that. I can taste the coconut. Tropical Tango. That is nice. Papaya. Papaya and mango. Okay. Okay. Yes. And I'm loving these straws. This is the ones that you steep first with hot water and then you pour them over ice. So it actually didn't take too long. This one, it was 200 degrees and you steep it for 5+ minutes and then you pour that hot liquid over top of your ice. So I love this one. I'm gonna end up telling you which ones I love the most. Next up, we have Cherry Berry Punch. This was the one that I was most excited for. It is a black tea base. Now let's see the ingredients. Black tea, apple, hibiscus blossoms, candied pineapple, natural cherry flavoring, natural pineapple flavoring, raspberries, and stevia extract. This one, it was 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and you steeped it for between 3 and 5 minutes. Of course, you don't want to oversteep that black tea. After steeping, we did the same that we did with the other ones. Poured it over ice cubes, made ourselves some iced tea. Oh, okay. So you can taste the black tea. And then it's like cherries and like red berries, and just it's slightly sweet. It's not very sweet. Like sometimes I find like stevia kind of overtakes. It doesn't with this. That is very good. I like that. Okay. Next up, we got this one. This is called Caribbean Crush. It's a fruit infusion. The ingredients are apple, pineapple, papaya, hibiscus, cranberries, artificial strawberry flavoring, artificial cream flavoring, and artificial red fruit flavoring. Caribbean Crush. And it is this pretty pink color. That is so nice. Oh! Oh, that is, woof, that is delightful. That reminds me of like, I don't know, like a tropical freezy or something. That is really nice. Last up, we have Grapefully Yours. It's a white tea base. The ingredients are white tea, apple, raisins, hibiscus blossoms, natural wild berry flavoring, natural grape flavoring, blue butterfly pea blossoms, that's where you get the purple color, grape seeds, black currants, pink cornflower blossoms, and stevia extract. And it's called Grapefully Yours. And I thought the straws matched pretty well. Like this one here, you know, it was so fun. Okay. Now I'm not usually a huge grape flavor, but you can taste the white tea. It's definitely very delicate. Yeah. If you like grape, I think you would like that. I actually enjoy that. That is not so bad. So in ratings for my taste buds, I think I'm gonna surprise myself. I would pick Caribbean Crush first. That's coconutty. Okay, here you have it. Caribbean Crush, my first choice. These two are a toss-up. I see them, you know, okay, I'm gonna just go with this one. This one is called Tropic Tango. Let's go with that one. Third, I would go with the Caribbean Crush, which is so funny because that was the only one I was gonna get because I was like, hands down, I think I'm gonna love that one. And then this one, and I mean, they're all so good. I think that they're almost all tied with the exception of this guy. What is this one called again? Caribbean Crush. If you've tried any of these, let me know down in the comments down below. I want to know what you guys think. What would you rate these? I'll see you in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye. These are so yummy. And they're so pretty.